This is a special video regarding solar flare activity that is ongoing right now as I make this video. As you can see, an R3 eruption is taking place right now on the sun. R3 stands for a solar flare of at least a class X1. And if you look at the X-ray graph, it's fallen to M9.2. An X1.6 flare has just occurred. Peaked right here, now it's starting to decline. Let's see. So there's last couple weeks we've had some very significant solar activity with previous sunspot, and now we got this new sunspot. What was it called? Sunspot is called Region 2205. It's been producing a lot of M-class flares over these last several days. And now, as I said, it's producing an X-class flare, which is now down just below the X-class. So as you can see right now, it's an R2. Latest alerts, it says alert X-ray flux exceeded M5. That was issued at 1717 converted universal time. And we scroll down, as you can see, these Type 2 and Type 4 radio emissions indicate coronal mass ejections off of the sun. We had one yesterday at 408 universal at 732 kilometers a second. The one before that was 1,291 kilometers a second. Actually, right here is going to be the latest coronal imagery that was revealed. As you can see, there's multiple ejecta coming from the sun. You can see those clouds expanding. But that was that's not the most they're awaiting. The imagery will be updated. The active region responsible for these flares, as you can see, the active region is right here on the northeast limb of the sun. So right now, this sunspot group is not directed towards Earth. However, if these flares do continue, which as of right now, they are continuing, in the days ahead, we have to watch out because the sunspot will eventually face Earth. As you can see, here's a sunspot right here, actually. Sunspot's eventually going to face Earth, and any additional flares, coronal mass ejections, eruptions, you name it, will be Earth-directed and could potentially produce geomagnetic activity and proton storms. So it's something definitely to watch. So be on the lookout for that.